Hello everyone, in today's video, we will learn about family-related phrasal verbs. Sounds interesting, right? So let's begin. First one is take after. That means to look or behave like an older relative. The best example is showcased here. Seth's son takes after him. So he looks like him. Right? So that's what we can use. Take after. Be named after. That means to be given the name of another person. Example, Ane was named after his cousin. Get along with. That means to have a good friendly relationship with someone. I get along well with my brother and sister. Get together, to spend time together. Example, my family usually gets together at weekend. Grow up, to develop into an adult. Example, their children have all grown up and left home now. Look up to respect or admire someone. Example, my father is a role model for me to look up to. Look after, take care of someone. Example, I look after my sick mother. Split up, to end a marriage or relationship. Example, his parents split up a few months ago. Bring up, to look after a child until he or she becomes an adult. Example, she brought up 3 children on her own. Tell off, to criticize someone angrily for doing something wrong. Example, his mother told him off for making so much noise. Go by, prefer to be called by a particular name. Example, when I knew her, she used to go by the name of Annie. That means she loved to be called Annie. So she preferred to be called Annie. So that's how you can use go by. Put up with. That means to tolerate or accept an unpleasant situation without complaining. Example, she puts up with her husband's violent temper. That means she tolerates her husband's violent temper. Pass away. That means to die. For example, my father-in-law passed away 2 years ago. So that was all about this video. Thank you for watching.